Hello AutoCAD users! In this video I'm going to show you how to draw a furniture block from scratch in under 5 minutes using our custom CAD for Interiors Dynamic Blocks library. For this particular project we have drawn a 186 square footage home office, and for this project we have used both windows and doors and dynamic furniture blocks created with the interior design industry in mind. So let's see how they work. Our dynamic CAD blocks library for interior designers includes 18 custom furniture blocks in standard sizes that you will find at any trade shop. So here is what the library includes. We have furniture blocks for living rooms, the dining room, kitchens, bedrooms, and office. So for the living room we have the area rug in 9 different custom sizes. We have coffee table in square and round, daybed, ottoman, armchair in 4 different sizes, sofa in 4 different sizes with 2 divisions, sofa with 3 divisions in 4 different sizes, then the sectional in 9 different shapes and sizes, the bedroom in all bed sizes, mattress in 5 different sizes, nightstand in 3 different sizes, dresser in 3 different sizes. In the dining room and kitchen we have the dining table in 9 different sizes in round shape and also in rectangle shape in 9 different sizes. Then we have this stool in 7 different sizes and shapes. And last but not least, the office. We have the desk in 3 different sizes and the office chair in 5 different sizes. What is good about this furniture is that once you drop the furniture piece, you can adjust the dimensions easily using the special grips. You can also rotate, you can stretch on both sizes, and then you can also select the furniture piece that you want to insert. Here is the room that we are going to be drafting today. We did these drawings in the past in collaboration with Ara Leslie Interior Design. So we are going to start adding the windows, the doors, and then we are going to drop the furniture layout. Using the snipping tool application, we are going to copy the floor plan that we have with the dimensions of the room. We are going to scale the image with the scale command and then move and align in this first row. The next step will be to draw reference lines using the XL command. So we are going to use as many lines as we need. We are going to add an offset of this line of 163 inches and the second one is going to be 165. Now it's time to draw the exterior walls, and so for that we are going to be using the rectangle command. So we are going to draw a rectangle shape and then we are going to use the offset tool and we are going to type 6 inches, which is the depth of the wall. Hit enter. Then we can remove these additional lines and now we can just start adding the furniture blocks with the blocks palette command. And here is where we are going to select the downloaded file with the CAD for Interiors Dynamic 01, then click open, and from here we can just drag and drop the dynamic door, and also we are going to be using the dynamic windows. So we are just going to start adding a reference line to insert the windows. These are going to be the 3 windows that we are going to be adding now. So let's go back to AutoCAD and then we just take this reference line and create an offset of 42.5 and then another offset of 48. Now we'll select the window block from one point and then align with the stretch grip. So we have these other 2 windows on the side to include. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to draw a reference line with the XL command Then we are going to make an offset of 42 inches and then another offset of 80. We are going to find the center point, and now we can just copy the window CAD block with the copy tool. We rotate the item, and then with one point we are going to move the block, and then with the stretch grip we are going to stretch the window and then just copy the second window. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the doors of the room. So we have two doors, one that is the one to access the office, and the second one is the one to access to the closet. So we are going to just move this block from one point, and then we are going to create an XL reference line and an offset of 4.5 inches. Then we are going to make sure that this door is aligned to the reference line and also to the wall. Just make sure that it's perfectly aligned. Now we are just going to duplicate this door with the copy tool. Now we can create another reference line of 4.5 and then just mirror with the mirror grip tool. Now we are just going to make sure this door is 34 inches, and then because we don't have a 27 inches door, we're going to select the 28 door, and then we're going to go to the swing door free size. So we are going to make a custom size 27 inches width door. So let's just move the door from one grip, and then with the stretch grip we are just going to move. We are going to remove all of these additional lines for all of the doors and windows inserted in our plan. So we're going to use the wipeout frame command and value 0. And as you can see, all of the additional lines have been removed. Now we are going to add our furniture library. So let's just load the file that we have downloaded. So it should be this one, the CAD for Interiors Dynamic 02. We click on open, and we are going to wait a few seconds for the furniture to load. Now let's just insert the first furniture piece, which is the daybed. So we'll select the block and drop in the floor plan. Now I would like to insert some additional notes in the floor plan. So we are going to look the 3/8 of an inch scale room tags. So let's just copy this and paste it next to the plan. These room tags are part of our CAD for Interiors template and can be purchased on our website cadforinteriors.com. Now we are going to select this text box and we are going to rename this. We are going to call this room the office. And then for the furniture, we are going to use this other text box. Now we are going to move this block into the proper layer. In this case is the ID furniture layer. We can now replace the name of this CAD block and we can call this daybed. This particular furniture block is 67 width by 31 depth, and is actually the one that we are placing in the plan, but let's just do an example. So let's just call this for now 67 width by 31 depth. And now we are going to adjust the dimensions. So let's just type instead 68, enter. And now with a linear dimension, we are just going to confirm. So it's 68. So now we can adjust this to 68 width. Let's insert the second furniture piece, the armchair. So let's just take this one over here and we are going to place this in the corner of our room. And this chair is 32.5 by 34.5. So we're going to select this one, which I like because it has like a corner shape. So let's just rotate this a little bit and we are going to move and align. So this chair is going to be 32.5. Now we are going to double check with the align dimension tool. So let's just check, is 32.5, so it's correct. Now we are going to adjust the depth. So for that we are going to insert 34.5, enter. So now we have the correct dimensions of the chair. So I'm going to insert the chair information. So I'll just type chair and dimension by 34.5 depth, enter. Now I'm going to move this text and align with the chair. And now I'm going to match the layer properties of the daybed to the chair. We are going to insert a side table. So with the circle command, now we hit 14 inches diameter. Now we move and match the properties with the chair. So let's just add now the desk. So we are going to select desk dynamic block, and we have one with 60 by 30 using the rotate grip. We don't have to use the rotate command. We can rotate the table to 90-degree angle, and we are going to align with the two windows. Now we can, I'm looking for the office chair, is right here. So let's just drag and drop. Let's try again. Okay, it's right here. So we are going to move the chair, and the same, we are going to rotate and align with the desk, and this is going to be the size. Now we are going to copy the text properties, and we are going to call this desk, and it's going to be 60 by 30 depth, and the same for the chair. Copy, we add the chair information, and it's 21.8. It's 21.8 width by 19.8 depth. The next block that we have to add is the arrow rock. So we are going to select one from the drop down list. Is the 5 by 7 feet. So it's the, just double check again, it's 5 by 7. So we are going to move this and align with the desk. And now we are going to move this a little bit more to the back. That's it. The last piece that we need to insert into the plan is this bookshelf. It's a 78 by 20 built-in. So for that, we are just going to use dresser dynamic block, which is over here. And now we are going to look for the size. So it's the L size, 72 by 20, and align with the wall. Now we are just going to adjust the width. It's half the size of 78 by 20. And now we're just going to copy the text and add the furniture information. So it's just the built-in is 78 by 20 depth, and we are going to match all of the furniture layers. But I want this rock in a different layer. It's the ID furniture gray, so it's going to show in gray. Now I'm going to copy this text and add the rock information, which is 5 by 7 feet. I'm going to move, and all done. Thank you very much everyone for watching. See you soon.